Good morning, and my bad for a late. Well, not really my bad for a late stream. But for those that don't know, Apex has been down pretty much all night and kind of all morning. And they're finally back, so we can finally start taking some trades. And that's why I'm on the charts right now. All right, guys. But as you speak, I am seeing a pretty good setup that I do like. Enough for me to get on. I wasn't really planning on trading today. I have a few stuff going on, and with the whole market being, just down and everything, it's kind of like, should we even get on? But no, I mean the setup. We have some setups here that we can read. We have some good readings in the market, so we're gonna see what we can cook up. All right, guys. But I'm gonna explain it very soon. I just need to make sure I have everything pretty much just set up and ready before I start the stream over in the premium. Right now I do want to be bullish, which I'll explain why. Maybe I will switch over to a bearish bias, but I'm not completely sure just yet. But we're gonna find out. All right, guys. But let me go ahead and start getting the stream starting. But yeah, let me start getting the stream ready over here. So I can put the alert out in time. But yeah, right now I do have a bullish bias that I am liking. Here, let me put it up here. There you go. But yeah, I'm about to explain the setup right now. Let me just get on live real quick. Let me make sure that the YouTube is good as well. All right, there you go. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back finally. Apex servers are back to work to working. Hopefully. But anyways, I am seeing a setup that I'm kind of liking. I'm sure you guys read the commentary. I did put it out a few minutes ago. But right now, we have I would say a pretty good reading here in the market. Although it's 11, usually we don't really get trades at this time, but the market is moving. I want to say it's moving. Anyways, so right now the current buy. I'm sure if you guys read the commentary, you guys know that I did say, hey, we're looking at this 5-minute bullish for value gap. So far, we're liking the way buyers are. At least we're holding up to the point where we think we could probably head into the London highs at 20,912. All right, guys. Now, how can we trade into this? Well, if you guys are looking at the current 5-minute time frame, we have two fair value gaps to kind of work off of, right? So in the commentary channel, you guys know I did say we want to be bullish, but we just don't have as many confirmations. Why do I say that? The reason I say that is because we haven't really taken out any lows at all today. We did take out highs and buyers step in once again, kind of just showing that we might want to go higher, which is why I'm bullish for now. Right, guys? Now, sure, we can probably inverse this fair value gap and shoot it down into these London lows, which would be a possible trade if we can catch it in time, right? But the current bias right now is bullish. I'm just liking the way buyers are stepping in, or at least we're stepping in, right, guys? And we have pretty much some good confirmations to the upside, right? So for the people that read the commentary, or if you haven't already, pretty much what we're looking for is, since we don't have enough confirmations, we're going to be using two fair value gaps to our advantage today, right? And before I say that, here, let me start up the live trading here. Over in the YouTube side. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me copy and paste this before I explain the setup. And today might be a short stream, by the way, guys. Of course, we're starting the stream at 11. So we don't know how that's gonna go. Anyways, so what we're looking for is we want to see a bullet. We want to see pretty much buyers step in from this bullish for value gap right here. If enough buyers can step in and it shows us that they want to shoot it into the pretty much 880 or 912 into the London highs, we can enter based off this inverse from this bearish for value gap that we made about 10 minutes ago. All right, guys. So that's what we're currently watching right now. Right now, we can also be bearish. And the reason I say we can also be bearish is technically what the strategy is telling us is we should be bearish, right? The reason I say that is because we've taken out all of the nearby liquidity right here, right? So we took out this liquidity. Well, we created liquidity here, and around here, and we took it out here, right? Now, when we sold off here, we should have taken out this London low off the bat. I'm not sure why we didn't, but buyers started stepping in very strong. So I'm like, okay, if sellers couldn't take out the London low after the sweep and buyers are stepping in very strong, it just shows that we might want to take out this London high before we go down into the London low, which is why I'm bullish right now. But if we want to go ahead and inverse this fair value gap, honestly, shorts wouldn't even be a horrible idea either. So I'm also open to the idea of taking shorts as well. All right, guys. But we're gonna see. We just need to see the reaction off this fair value gap to see how it goes. But in the meantime, let me write shorts just in case. Let me see. 20. I mean, we would kind of only have one price target if we were to take that. But I did want to take longs. I mean, we could still bounce off this. We are in the 5-minute fair value gap on both ES and NQ. But NQ is holding down a lot more than ES is. So we there's a big chance where we might just inverse this gap and just shoot down to these London lows. So that's probably what we might have to trade into, I would say. I want to say, at least. Let me see, 20,714.25. But if we were to take shorts, let me just get this ready just in case. It would be, let me delete this because we're probably not going to shoot back up. I would want to have something like this. Let me do this quick before it plays out. Shorts like this wouldn't be a horrible idea either. Let me see. Ah, bro, I don't think I can get an entry anymore. It's way too late. Ah, shit. Guys, we might have missed the entry because I was typing the alert here. It was too last second. Let me see. If we can get a pullback here, back up, maybe I'll consider entering. But right now, no, we might have missed an entry by what, 15 points? Yeah, 15 points. We're probably going to sell off here. I was typing the alert and it was way too quick. Maybe we can get a pullback, but I'm not entering down here. This is just chasing it. Because I want to have my stop loss up here. If we can pull back into like 770, I'll enter. Around 770. But if we just shoot down, we're going to have to kind of just watch it dump. I'm really hoping we don't put it. From the looks of it, we might sell off. Let's see. We're getting a pullback here. Hopefully we can get an entry here. Let me see. Oh, I couldn't get it in time. Because I really want to enter, but I don't know. If anything, I'll just move my stop loss a little bit lower. This is why I don't like starting lives last second, because everything just turns into a huge mess. Let me see if I can find an entry here, because obviously I don't want to enter off a pullback, because that might be a bad one, but I might have to risk it and just take something like this. But let me see, because we got the pullback now, but now we got to make sure that sellers are in enough control to bring this lower. You know what I mean? But we're back at an entry point, but it's not enough for me to take it just yet. So just give me a second. This is why I hate starting lives last second. It gets super hectic. So let me see if I can find you guys a good entry around here. Because as much as I would want to take shorts now that we're getting the inverse, obviously I don't want to take it off a pullback, because if we get the pullback, too many buyers step in and then shoot straight into the stop loss, if that makes sense. But let me see. Because if we enter around, let's say we enter around 770, we would have a stop loss at 796.25, I would say, around there. That'll be pretty good. I kind of want to enter around here. It doesn't look like a bad entry. It's just a little bit risky just because there's so much stuff happening right now. And I really want to see if ES can hold below this inverse, because obviously if ES can't hold, then that's just gonna mess everything up as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna enter, guys. I'm gonna enter. All right, guys, I gotta fill at 65. I'm in shorts. I'm just liking the way sellers are stepping in. It doesn't look horrible. Now the thing is, it's a stop loss. I don't know if that's the best one, but we're just gonna kind of just go with it and see how that goes. But yeah, shorts doesn't look horrible, guys. We just need to see how sellers hold below this inverse right here. Oh, oops. Shorts don't look horrible. I got to fill at 65, guys. I don't know if that was, I think, I wanted to get one around 770. 5 points below, not a major deal, honestly. Not a horrible idea. But yeah, If this candle can flip, if this candle can break this low, we should be good. But in the meantime, we're just kind of in a range, I would say. We would just be kind of in a range. Because we still need to wait for a good rejection here. Let me see. Because ES did get the close below. The one thing that's worrying me a little bit is ES that it was ES not being able to hold below the fair value gap. And now that we're holding below it, we should be good. If this candle can flip from green to red, we should be chilling, I would say. Let's see. Because I'm not worried about NQ. NQ should be fine. It's just ES. If this candle can flip, we should be good. Because ES is the one thing, as pretty much as always, holding us from going any lower. So let's see. I just wish I had a better entry just so I can get a better stop loss. But NQ wants to shoot down. I want to say we're good, but I don't want to say just yet because obviously ES is holding green when NQ is holding red. But let's see. Like I said, once we break below this low, if we can break below this low, we should be chilling. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. But I kind of want to get a trim quick if we do break below that low, just because the entry and everything it just looks super hectic. Because like I said, we got everything kind of last second. It was kind of rushed, I would say. So just to be safe, just to kind of like take a little bit of stress off the table, I do want to take trims if we can get like a good sell off to the downside, like a quick sell off to the downside. But yeah, we did get the green to red, which is amazing. And I'm assuming a lot of you guys might have gotten a better entry than me. If anything, you guys let me know in the chat. I don't have it open right now, but I'll check it out later. But let's see, because ES needs to hold down. This really needs to hold down. If not, we might be screwed here. It's just the entry. I just wish I entered a lot earlier. Or a lot higher up, at least. Because the stop loss is going to be the issue. But we'll see. Anyways, what's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? I haven't checked the chat in a second. I'll probably just check it after this trade because there's just so much going through my mind right now with the market and everything that I just want to focus on this right now. But yeah, let's see if we can get this this setup. Like I said, all we need to do is break this low. Once we break it, we should be good because ES flipped from green to red. And the one thing, there's more buyers on ES than there are on NQ, which is holding NQ from going any lower. So we just need ES to break this one low. Once we break it, I'll probably look for some trims. Come on, let's break this. All we need to do is break 757, and we should be good. If we can head straight into like 745, I'll probably look to take a trim there. But can we hold this down? Let's see. I don't want us to wick back up. There we go. Can we see a little bit lower here? By the way, I'm assuming a lot of you guys might have gotten a better entry than me. So if you guys have the need to trim, please do so. Like if you guys are happy with the green, you know, secure some green, go ahead. Because for me, I'm probably not gonna get as many points just because I got a pretty bad fill, just because it was a little bit rushed. It's just, you know, how today was going. But yeah, this thing is just, I just don't like how buyers are trying to hold this. Did anyone get? I don't think so. I'm out and happy. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you guys might have gotten a nice trim there. I wasn't able to get anything, at least just because I didn't see enough green. But like I said, if you guys, a lot of you guys, if not all of you guys, might have gotten a better fill, you guys could have trimmed down there. I got out with 200. Yeah, no, it's not horrible. Not horrible. Put this out real quick. Forgot to put it on. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't shoot. It shouldn't shoot into the stop loss. I mean, like I said, buyers are trying to hold this down. We should have seen a little bit lower, at least into 745. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. If we can get one more green to red flip, we should be good. But if anything, I'll probably just try to find another trade if this one doesn't pan out, because it was just too late on this one. It was a mess. That's the whole reason why I hate starting lives late, because it turns really messy. But as long as we don't hit the stops, I mean, we should be good. Yeah, too messy. Yeah, I agree. Okay, nothing. Yeah, no, I get it. It's just I'm not worried about you guys. I'm kind of more worried about myself today. And I'm not trying to like sound selfish or anything. It's just I got a very, very late fill today. I was trying to get filled like around 775, maybe 770 the latest. I got filled at 765. Of course, I saw you guys got a fill around 776, 770. So you guys are good. But me, that's the problem. Because when it comes to getting trims and all that stuff, it's a little bit harder for me. Yeah, someone got a fill at 780. So 760. Okay, now that's late. That's really late. I thought mine was bad. But yeah, let's see. So far, as long as these candles can keep flipping from green to red, we should be good. That just shows that we're getting some buyer exhaustion. Re-enter? No. I at least not now. Actually, I don't know. The thing is, I like the trade idea. It's just the way it looks. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. I don't really feel comfortable telling you guys, oh, you should enter now. You know what I mean? If you got your trims, you did. If not, then just kind of just hold it. But let's see. Can we get a second try into 745? Because that's where I want to take my or some profits at least. Come on. We just need ES to break this low. That's all we need. Then I'll just be happy with it. We saw 748. I'm about to press the button. If you guys want to trim, go ahead. Go ahead. We saw 748. I would say that's good enough. I don't know if you guys got it in time. Hopefully you guys are paying attention. All right. Did any of you guys get any trims there? Price action has been granted until the live started. That's how it was, bro. That's how it is sometimes. But yeah, did you guys yeah, I trimmed? Nope, I trimmed. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah. If we shoot back down and if you guys haven't already, please press the button. I got some off there as well. At 50. Yeah, we should be we should be going lower. I really do feel like we should go lower. It's just prices. Obviously we're headed a little bit straight into lunch hour, so you know how that goes. Yeah, it's just look. This is the whole reason why NQ is not selling off. It's ES. It keeps holding it up. We need ES to just break this low. Once we do, that just shows that buyers are completely out of the picture, and we're good. All right, guys, and then we're good. Up 200, but I was stressing. Yeah, no, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Today has been, at least for me, bro. I'm like my mind has been all over the place today with TradeAway, with you guys asking, with the markets. It's a whole deal. So that's why I don't have too much energy today. In the live, it's just I'm all over the place. Yeah, bro. It was a lot today. When the TradeAway fixed? About 20 minutes ago, 20, 30 minutes ago. Can I still enter the trade? Nah, bro. Nah. We kind of already got the trims. There's no point. But yeah, no one in here should be red at all. The trade barely saw any drawdown. The thing is, I just wanted to go down a little bit more so I could be happy with it. I'll be happy with it. As long as ES breaks this low, I'll be happy. That's all. That's all I need. That's all I need. Why don't you guys like Rhythmic? We don't. It's not that we don't like it. We just don't use it. At least I don't use it. I don't know about you guys. Are you gonna try for another trade? Maybe. I'll stay on because obviously I don't want to give you guys a short live or whatever. How much are you size? Full size. When are we going break even? I typically go break even when we see about 35, 40 points. But if you want to do break even, go ahead. You don't have to. You don't have to base it off me. I got my trims already, and most of you guys did as well. I hope so. I hope you guys did. But I just want to see this break below this. We're kind of just ranging here. They don't know how much. You don't. I always tell you when I say size light. If I don't say anything about my sizing, it will always be full, guys. Like if I don't mention anything about sizing, it will always be full. It's kind of a no-brainer. By the way, guys, please stream here. Please stream. Press the button. If you guys haven't already, please press the button. All right, guys, do me that favor and press the button. All right. Not a matter of fact, I'm gonna trim some more here. All right, guys. I trim some more. It's just you're just better off. It's just today's alert was too messy. I gotta admit it, you know. And shit happens, you know what I mean? But yeah, let me kind of react to this real quick. There we go. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to move it to break even, if you guys don't like the trade enough, feel free to. All right, guys. But no one should be red at all. The trade saw, depending on where you guys filled, about 30 points. All right, guys. Which in a market like today, being hectic, you gotta take it. You know what I mean? You gotta take it. We don't have enough volume. Yeah, no. I mean, keep in mind we are headed towards lunch hour. Alpha 200 got out early. I don't blame you, bro. I really don't. Today has been a whole shit show. But yeah, let me know in the chat, guys. There's a lot of you guys in here. How are you guys doing today? No one should be red. Are you guys green? I know it'll probably be a little bit of green. Green is green. You know what I mean? You're down 50. How? Even if you were late, no one should be red. Respect for even starting the live. I'm surprised I even went live today. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm How many accounts you got? I got 20. Break even. I got nervous. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Today was a mess. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of you guys are up 200. Not bad. Not bad. Green 100. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna, of course, if the trade doesn't, obviously it's looking a little bit messy. But if this trade doesn't do anything crazy, I'll stay on for a little bit longer. I usually don't trade during lunch hour, but if something does come up, I do owe you guys some trades. Obviously, we couldn't trade in the morning today because you guys know trade of 8 was down. Not something I could have done. You know what I mean? I can't control that. But yeah, for the people that didn't stay cash and took the trade with me, you guys should be green. It's probably not much, but do you blame me for not taking it? Not at all. Trust me, not at all. I felt stressed, so I got off for 130. We'll take it, bro. We'll take it. On a day like today, we'll take it. Anything 150, 100, $200, we'll take anything. Why did you change your mind from bullish to bearish? I was open to being bullish. The model was telling us bearish, but I was really open to being bullish. I'll explain why after the trade. But mainly because we took out this DOL right here. I thought that we were probably going to shoot into the London high, but seller stepped in pretty quick. I'm like, all right, so we're probably going to get a sweep up right about now and shoot into this London low down here, right? So with us getting the sweep and us inversing this fair value gap, I'm like, all right, you know what? Why not? You know what I mean? So yeah. If anything, I'll explain it more clearly after the trade. But for now, we kind of just we're kind of focused on just watching this. All right, guys. People working $20 per hour, but people won't take. Exactly, bro. Exactly. So you guys always have to be grateful with $100, $200 days. And who knows? I mean, this streak can still go. It hasn't hit the stop loss. All I'm saying is it's a little bit messy. I gotta admit to that. It is a little bit messy, but no matter what, we're still green. You know what I mean? This is my first day in here, lifetime member, and wow, super impressed, bro. I hate to break it to you, but today there's a lot better days. Trust me. Today was just a little bit messy, really messy, right? But thank you, bro. Thank you for the message. Thank you for the message. I really appreciate it. But yeah, no, today has just been a mess, bro. So it's not much I can really do, you know. especially with my mind all over the place, my mind spinning. I need a little bit of a break. I know today's Monday, but that's just life sometimes, you know. Just chop now, yeah. We're gonna see though. I mean, there's been times where the trade has chopped for a little bit and then it's gone in our favor. By the way, guys, tomorrow. Wait, let me see the charts. Oh yeah, tomorrow we do have PPI, and then on Wednesday we have CPI. So tomorrow should be interesting, and Wednesday should be hopefully should be good. It should be. We have CPI on Wednesday. For those that don't know, so today, you know, it'll probably be the slowest day out of this whole week. So you know, just bear with me a little bit. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the message. Thank you for the message. Now, guys, this trade is looking so messy. But no matter what happens, guys, we should all be green. I hope so. Either green or break even, no matter what happens. All right. But sellers keep bringing these down. It's just ES is holding us from going any higher. You guys see what I mean? Are y'all still in? I am. But I trimmed most of my contracts. So yeah. Of course, bro. I got you, guys. But yeah, I'm still in runners. Obviously, I still believe we go lower. It's just this trade is a little bit holding until 714. Yeah, I do want to see 714. That's why I'm still in runners. So it's either 714 gets hit or my runners get stopped out. All right. But keep in mind, I did trim most of my contracts down here. And you guys, I'm sure you guys did as well. Or you guys should have, at least. All right, guys. Let me see. Ooh, Dylan, bro. That's nice. Beautiful, beautiful. We like to see that. Yeah, we just keep getting these candle flips. They're doji candles. It's like the market is very indecisive right now. So as much as I want to say as much as I want to say we're probably going to go lower, I don't know. Obviously the bias is meant to go lower. We're bearish for a reason into drawing liquidity, and we shouldn't reverse anytime soon. But with price being so all over the place and there not being enough sellers nor buyers, we don't know what's gonna happen. All right, guys. So that's why I trimmed a little bit early on the trade. See profit, take profit. Yeah, that's kind of how it is today. He called out to trim 3 times, 100%. What will be a good entry after? None. I would say kind of just avoid this. If you didn't get it the first time, don't try the second time. Just move on to the next setup, because right now, obviously, you see how the market is moving. Got 2 runners left. Me too. Can you explain the 30% rule for the 50K accounts? Yeah, you just can't surpass a certain amount on the day. Here, if anything. This goes for everyone. So you guys can have it. Here you go. So yeah, just peep the chat. Just save that for later. You know, you can make it your wallpaper if anything, just so you guys don't go over that rule. Yeah, but we keep getting these candle flips. They're doji candles. They don't know what they want to do. It's very, very indecisive. Obviously, I'm still bearish and I still want the trade to go lower, obviously, but we don't know. I mean, now ES is flipping red when NQ is flipping green. It just makes no sense. Yeah, and by the way, yeah, of course, this only applies after the eval. How do you add the settings on the rectangle? You just double click it. And then you just apply these settings. So just screenshot it real quick. I'll give you some time. And then, are you in? I've been in. And I trimmed already, so you know what I mean? But I'm really hoping we can go lower. At least into 714. I know it's a long shot, especially with this chop, but we can only hope. We can only wait and see. I'm just hoping this doesn't chop into our stop loss, because it's happened so many in so many trades that it goes in our favor, but the chop messes everything up. But let's see. We got another green to red candle flip here, especially on ES. Okay, ES is selling off really nice here, which is beautiful. Now, the question is, can NQ catch up here? Because look at this. ES wants lower, NQ just slow. So we'll see. Exactly. I do believe we see lower. Obviously, we don't really have a reason to reverse anytime soon. We inverse the fair value gap. We have a lot of selling. We have the MSS. We have everything checked out, but it's just the volume. So we'll see, man. We'll see. But right now, it's kind of just a waiting game. Bro, nice, nice. If anything, bro, call it. All right, bro. If you're green, just call it. Like if you're green and out of the trade, I would say call it. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, yeah. Of course. Yeah, just come back tomorrow, bro, when news comes out and everything, and just go from there. Got fully out for $92. Would like to stay, but my brain can't. Yeah, no, bro. I don't blame you, bro. I really don't. It's just too choppy. Up 50 got out early because they didn't seem too confident. It's not that I didn't seem confident. I'm so confident that we go lower, and that's why I'm holding the trade, obviously. You know what I mean? Could you re-enter right now? No, 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 no. But I do feel confident for the trade. It's just the volume. The trade is a little bit messy. Obviously, we got on live late and everything. So, you know, you're down 370. How? Did I miss a trade? Yeah, you did, bro. You missed it by like 30 minutes, I want to say. Yeah, by like 25 minutes around there. Green 386. Yeah, I'm expecting a lot of you guys to be green today, not red at all. We barely saw drawdown. Are you in a trade? Yeah, we've been in a trade. Come on, guys, come on. You guys, I put it out. It's common sense. I'm gonna call it. Yeah, no, bro. Yeah, like I said, if you guys are green, call it. Come back to the live tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a lot better. Trade of 8 will probably be up, or more than likely be up. News will be out. Volume will probably be good. Just come back tomorrow. All right, guys. I made over a mistake. I made it with stop loss. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's. I was about to say. Much respect for you even start the live, bro. Yeah, I'm surprised. Like I said, I'm surprised I even went live today because I typically I get off at this time. I don't go live at this time. I'm green for today though. Yeah, no, of course, of course. Like I said, everyone should be green. Although it's a little bit, although it's little green, we'll take it. We'll take it. But yeah, like what is this? This volume makes zero sense. It's just a complete mess. If anything, PM might be our trade today. This was just more of like just catch something for the day. But yeah, PM might be what we trade today. Let me catch up with something right here. Okay, cool. There was an earthquake in Japan this morning with a tsunami warning. That does nothing. Yeah, that does nothing in the market. Thanks, Blast. I got you, bro. I got you. Lots of gurus out there don't really call it when they enter trade and play off like they enter 20 pesos. But of course, yeah. Of course. I mean, it's pretty hard to fake it when there's over 500 of you guys in here watching me. You know what I mean? I don't know how people do it. Gotta be honest. Out of the trade, wanted to go long at 7:55 by phone calls. 7:55. What was that? 7:55. Oh shit. Bro, it's just like, what is this volume? We're getting random buying, random selling. It's a mess, man. Honestly, whatever these runners do, I won't really be bothered by it. I'll still be not pretty green, but I'll be green on the day. Not super green. Just like how you guys are, up 100, 200 around there, and just take it. But if we do get a trade during the PM, I'm going to trade that one. Do you ever click the reverse button during trades? The reverse button. That's not a button. Is it? I only have buy and sell. I don't know what buttons you have, bro. Blast, why didn't you get out of the trade when it goes against you like this? Because I already trimmed most of my contracts. I don't care what, like, these runners, they're just meant, like, if the trade goes lower, I will make profit, and if they go against me, I won't really lose anything. But yeah, no, these runners they might be looking a little bit done for. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Just the market is way too choppy. Buyers are stepping in kind of out of the blue. After the chop happens. Um, yeah. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out of these runners. My final two runners, I'm out of them. Honestly, I'm only green $100 on the day. I'll take it, honestly. But I am gonna stay on just in case, just to see if another setup comes around. The thing is, it's gonna be hard for us to get a setup just because the market is so out of control right now, and we don't have any sweeps at all. So I don't know if the market even wants to reverse or if it's chopping. You know what I mean? $100 not bad in this price action. Yeah, no, I'll take it. I copy traded it on 10 accounts, so it's kind of like 1,000. So I'll take it. Piano. This alert was. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. Today was messy, really, really messy. But I'm not. It's not that I'm mad about it. I'm just a little bit annoyed. We could have definitely made a lot more if we were just paying more attention. But the entry cooked us a little bit. I mean, the trade did go green. We can't blame it on that. It went about 25 to 30 points, depending on your entry, maybe even 35 points. But I'm gonna say 25 to 30. We saw green. I told you guys 3 times to take profits. But it's just annoying that we couldn't take out drawn liquidity just because price is so choppy. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. The lack of DOL. But yeah, no, I did tell you guys 3 times take profit down there. So if you didn't take it, that's kind of on you. But bro, what is this? We go fully green just to flip back red, and we're probably gonna shoot into DOL. Bro, I'll be so mad. No, but I'll take my $100. I'll take my $100. Plus, are you gonna stay live or call it and come back PM? I don't know if I want to call it just yet. I mean, the market is looking very, very choppy, so I might call it for now, just because I gave you guys the I want to say quick scalp, but some green at least. If I do see something PM, then yeah, I'll for sure come back. But I want to stay on for a little bit longer, just so I can see how this selling comes in, because I'm curious. I'm really curious to see if we can even take out DOL. But yeah, no, my runners, they got kind of cooked with that push up, or I'm gonna say not even a push up, the a fake out, pretty much a pullback. If you guys want to call it that. You got one more, kind of. Yeah, I'm not super green for the day, so if the market gives us something to take, I'll take it. Yeah, we're using as liquidity. Yeah, bro, pretty much, pretty much. Nah, but we're still green, so we can't really complain about it. Wait, did my friend get stopped out of the trade? I don't think so, right? Oh yeah, he missed it by 2 points. Because my friend was in shorts as well. I think he entered a little bit after me. So yeah, I think we entered the trade too early. No, bro, we entered too late. What do you mean too early? Let's come back PM session. No reason to watch this chop. The only reason, okay. Like I said, if you guys are green, I would say it's probably better off if you guys call it a day. Obviously, you guys see the market conditions. You guys see that today has been a mess. Just so you guys don't get too in your head. If you guys are green, it could be 10, $100, $200. Just take it and call it a day and come back tomorrow. All right, guys. Now for me, look at ES though. This thing wants to dump. Unfortunate. Just market's too choppy. My PE still says order rejected. Are you sure it's not blown? Because everyone's thing is working now. We're marking out levels to determine the trend for the first step of your strategy. Do you normally the time frame doesn't matter, but the higher the time frame, the better. But it doesn't really matter. You can find it on any time frame. Trust me, it's not blown. That's weird then. But yeah, you guys see the chop going on. Honestly, it's better off if you guys just come back later or you just come back tomorrow. It'll be a new day. Fresh minds, fresh everything. This is where it's key. 100%, bro. How do you check your drawdown on Apex? You just click equity and it'll say tr.drawdown. And you just hover over that. Possible play. No. What is this on? What time frame is this? Actually, yeah. If we take out liquidity, then 100% for sure. But right now, it's this. I'm not trading this, and you guys shouldn't either. You guys see how it's going. Look, we pump up, we sell off, and then we pump up again. It makes no sense, guys. It really doesn't. So honestly, I want to get off, and maybe come back later. If not, I come back tomorrow because this market, my mind and this market has been a mess. Risky, not even risky. It's gambling, pretty much. You don't know what's going on, but at least I want to say it's gambling. At least with my strat. Obviously, there's a lot, you know. Hey, at least we're up 100%. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So if anything, I'll take my fair share of the market today. You know, take some time off the charts and just come back tomorrow with a clear mind. And you know, we just keep it going tomorrow. 33 up, bro. Trust me, I'm up 100. Honestly, I'll take it. It's a day where you got to take anything and just be happy with it. I got you, bro. It could be volatile this week. No. Due to Trump. Isn't he coming in next week? Yeah, next week, Tuesday, right? Or next week, Monday. I don't know. Sometime next week. Yeah, Monday. All right. Let's pay for the premium. Let me see. There you go. Okay, the 20th. Got it. Market closed on Monday? For real? Next Monday, right? No way. Let me see. There's no way the markets are closed again. Yeah, they are. Yeah, it's a bank holiday. I mean, I guess so. Yeah. Cool. Next week doesn't look horrible either. I mean, there's no news at all next week. Yeah. All right, so I guess yeah, this week should be a good week. Today was all right. I'm gonna say it was decent as long as we end the green. Tomorrow hopefully should be green. I mean, not green. Good, and Wednesday should be good as well, and then the rest should be normal. Nah, CPI is not tomorrow. It's on Wednesday. It's on Wednesday. I'll take it. $44. Yeah, no, we'll take it. Trust me. All right, but guys, anyways, right now I would say try avoiding this market. It's very choppy. Obviously, you guys are watching it with me. If you guys are green, I would say get off the charts completely and come back tomorrow. All right, guys. But for me, I think I'm just gonna get off. I don't want to get caught up in any of this. It's for the best. First rough day for me in a while. Down 500. I tried for an inverse earlier. Went up a few points. I didn't trim and they got stopped out. Into this inverse Friday gap we took together and trimmed, but not enough to go green. Then got stopped out. But on me. But yeah, the thing is, if I didn't get the second trim, I would have been red as well. Just barely red. Because you guys remember how I told you, okay, guys, trim. I got a trim at 750, and then I got another trim at 748. I'm like, okay, guys, I'm gonna sell some more here. So yeah, if it wasn't for that, I'll probably be a little bit red today. But it was just a mess today, so it's best if we get off for now. All right, guys. If I do see something in the PM session, I will get on again. But the market has to be amazing. And right now it's not looking promising. All right, guys. But for now, guys, I'm gonna get off for a little bit. I know it was a short stream. You can't really blame me. The trade of it was down all morning. But yeah, for now, guys, just get off. Enjoy the day. You know, clear your mind for a little bit and come back tomorrow. All right, guys. If anything, I'll be active in the chat. And if I see anything, maybe alive. All right, but if not, tomorrow. All right, guys. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna get off. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the chat if anything. All right. Peace. And YouTube, guys. I know today was a short stream. Like I said, I couldn't really do anything about it. I mean, the market was just, not only was the market choppy, but Tradeovate was down. So I had to start the stream 2 hours later. When Tradeovate finally came back up, we got a quick trade. I'm gonna say about 30 points. We came out pretty green. Not extremely green like how you see in the other streams, but hey, that's how the market is sometimes. You know what I mean? The wins add up. All right, guys. So today was a small day for me, but I'll take it. I'm up about $1,000 being copy traded across 10 accounts, $100 on each account. So I mean, it's $1,000. I'll take it. You know what I mean? I will never complain about that. All right, guys. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Tomorrow I'll be live at 9:45 a.m. EST, the usual. Hopefully we don't have any issues with any server or anything. All right, guys. But for now, I'm gonna get off. And if you guys do want to join the premium, I do have a 50% off code going on right now. So click the first link in the description and use code 50 on any membership, and it'll apply 50% off. All right, guys. But that's enough for me today. I'm gonna get off. My bad for the short stream, but hey, we made some money and we'll take it. All right, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. All right. Peace out, guys.